Welcome back to the studio. Aaron here for the Love of Tech, and today we're going to go ahead and do the update to our Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2. But just like the last update, what was different with the update? It seemed to be just a basic security patch, but upon further investigation, it clearly says right here, software is not limited but can include. Actually, it says software update can include but is not limited. So I had that a little whoopsie daisy backwards. Device stability, new or enhanced features, further improvements to performance. Now it gives you a little link as always to go ahead and click to see what's really going on. And it doesn't really tell me anything that is going on. It just says the build number, the Android version, and the security patch, but that is not going to stop us. What we are going to do this time that we didn't do last time is we're going to take a couple camera tests to see if there's any camera improvements. As of to date, I do not have many gripes with the camera for this device. It's a basic triple lens 12 megapixel setup, which is pretty good, not bad, not amazing. But can Samsung get this camera amazing with a little bit of tweaks and some software updates? I'm gonna go ahead and do the update with the device folded, so that way we just have a better screen record for you guys. So let me go ahead and start that right now. This is the November security patch, and it ends in S1BTK2. Let's go ahead and see what this is all about. Here we are. Software has been updated. Let's see. Anything new? Anything different? Sometimes things kind of just pop in there when you poke around and you look. I'm not sure if I don't come over here very often or if these icons have slightly changed just a little bit as far as how they look. I feel like they've changed a little bit. Oh, okay. Another update? But really nothing's different? Wasn't the last update like that? Let's go into the camera. Let's go into the live focus, see if this is any better, because it was giving us drama before. Now, one thing Samsung has always done better than Apple, since we're comparing, is it's done better at recognizing objects versus faces. It doesn't seem to be the case anymore. I think if we're just on the regular photo mode, we might actually get a better bokeh look or effect with just the regular autofocus. It does great with a face. Not so much with objects. Somehow along the way, this has changed. There it is, guys. Another lackluster security update from Samsung. What's the deal, Samsung? Here you are giving us another security update. I think what has happened here is I've grown spoiled when I had my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra, and the updates you could see, you could feel, you could enjoy, you knew that your device was getting better. But with the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, is it safe to say the phone was so refined out of the box that the only thing necessary is little tweaks and changes here or there? Guys, head down to the comments. Let me know what you think. If you have the Z Fold 2 and you got an update and you've noticed something that I clearly have not, let me know. Point it out. You won't hurt my feelings. Help me see what this update did for me. Head down to the comments, like, comment, subscribe. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. Not once, but twice. For the love of tech, till next time, namaste.